Hi folks, so today we're going to be making a liquid soap that is suitable for use as hand wash, body wash and shower gel. I've made a medley of surfactants. Surfactants is what causes bubbles and lather in your bath and body products, and this is what it looks like. So it's pre-mixed for you and it's very, very, very easy. So I'm going to show you how to do it. All you do is you take Carpobol, which is acrylic copolymer. I've pre-measured 3.750 litres of water, and we're making 5 litres of the liquid soap. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour in our Carpobol. I'm just going to stir that in. And then I'm going to add 1 litre of my detergent base, my surfactant base. I specifically designed it for this formulation, so it's a nice medley of ingredients and it's quite effective to wash with. I'm just going to stir that in. It's now a nice, very thick, clear solution. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add rose geranium fragrance, no, not fragrance, essential oil to my solution. It's got an absolutely beautiful smell. And today I'm feeling very florally, so I thought let's go for the rose geranium. And then to give my product a twist, the reason why I added my copolymer acrylics in was so that I can disperse exfoliating beads into it. And the copolymer suspends the beads, so it gives your product a lovely arty effect. I'm just going to fold this in. So I just want to show you, this is one that I made last week. It's not clear, but I made it with all natural surfactants like your glucosides. It's suspended very, very well, and it feels great in the skin, and it's all natural. And this one is the one I've just made, which you can see there's very big difference. Next week we're getting in some really cool glitters, Roman blue, and then we're getting in pearl. So I'm going to make a solution with that and then show you how sparkly it will look. And yeah, so I'm going to be putting the bucket that I've just made on offer on our website for 380 Rand for the 5 litre that I've just made. And you can buy all the ingredients from us, www.funwithsoap.co.za. I hope you're going to make this product. You're going to absolutely love it. Cheers for now. Oh, by the way, before I forget, my next product I'm going to be showing you how to make is nipple cream for those who are breastfeeding and that might have sore nipples. Yeah, so watch out for my next video. See you later.